Hey everybody, it's me, Mitchell Jones with Live Life Live. I am coming to you this Sunday morning. It's early for your crypto chat. And today's title is What Happened to the Market? Oh my God. After such a big run up last week, we saw at least a 15% correction in most of the cryptocurrencies that you all have. Overall, about a 15% downturn for the market, which is not bad in terms of a correction to prepare for the next leg up. But I know that it looks really bad if you are looking like I'm looking at all of the coins that I follow to keep up with where they are currently trading. All of the coins that I'm following, with the exceptions of Dogecoin, is down. Dogecoin is about 14 to 17% up, depending on which exchange you are looking. But for the most part, all of the coins are down. Am I concerned? Absolutely not. I am still bullish. As a matter of fact, I purchased more XRP last night, and I purchased more EOS last night. I won't be concerned, but I want to key you in or clue you into something. The financial institutions and the banks are not open on the weekends. So what can we attribute to the market going down? Number one, we can attribute some of the market going down, retail investors, people who have weak hands, people who are fearful. They see the market start to drop, and they for fear they sell their cryptocurrency because they don't want to lose more money than they're already losing, or they're afraid to lose any money in order to come back to the upside and to go even further. The second thing I wanted to make you aware of that many of you are not aware of, there are market makers. Listen, let me help you understand something. I am following coins from Cardano all the way to Zilliqa to Dash, EOS to Bitcoin Cash to Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Litecoin, and many others. But when you see billions of dollars being taken out of the market immediately like that in such a great fashion, we have what's known as market makers. And market makers are just that. They are here to make the markets move. Currency. A current moves. Currency. They are making the money move. They come in and they put money in the market, and then they come in and they take money out of the market to make the market move. And there are people who read technical charts. They read technical analysis. They use Fibonacci levels and RSI stochastic indicators and relative stochastic indicators. And they use what are those things? They look at the candles. They read candles. And there are many other things that they use. The MACD, moving averages, exponential moving averages. There are so many things that different people use to see where the market is moving. And these indicators give them an idea. And they can never be 100% correct because you never know what's going to go on. In addition to that, you've got news that can come out. Yesterday, it was said that the United States Treasury is about to go after some companies for money laundering. Who knows? That could be, it's probably not banks, because banks have not been trading cryptocurrency. They've just been allowed to custody it. So who are they coming after? Are they coming after exchanges? Who knows? We just have to wait and see. But one thing I have always, not always, but one thing I am noticing now is that there's usually news that follows these big swings, whether it's down or up. For the most part, I am still very bullish, and I am looking for my portfolio to increase greatly. We are still in this bull run season, and it is not time to be concerned. I'm not saying you should buy. I'm not saying you should sell. If I were you, I wouldn't be buying or selling unless you just have some money that you want to spend and you want to buy, because some of you don't have as much of coins as you'd like. It's a great time to buy if you're expecting things to go up. I'm not a financial advisor, and I am not giving you financial advice. I am just telling you what I am doing with my own funds, with my own portfolio. I hope that this helps you. I hope that this helps to calm you down some. I'm not nervous. I'm just ready for the next leg up. And just understand, we could recover this by Monday. We could recover this by Tuesday. It may take 2 or 3 weeks. We may go in a range until the market decides which way it wants to go. Whenever you see these downturns and you see the market just in a range kind of going sideways, that's when people are accumulating, and it's building momentum. It's almost like a launch pad. It's like jumping on a trampoline. It's like getting ready to running down the I call it the runway to make a move on the pommel horse, and you jump on the springboard and you do something. Well, that's all this is. The market is making a move. So listen, this market isn't really for people who have weak hands, people who are just emotional roller coasters. This market is for people who have tough skin. This market is for people who will be patient. This market is for people who will be diligent. And this market is for people who will be here to see their trades through till the end. Some of you are not making money because you're chasing pumps. Dogecoin ran up 200%, and then you jumped in. You should have jumped in when Dogecoin was 4 cents. Well, you say you didn't know anything about it. Well, guess what? You missed it. Do your research. Follow some people and find out what's going. Because I believe that this Dogecoin is a pump and dump situation. Listen, if the market makers are there and every coin that I follow is down in the red by at least 11%, except Dogecoin that is up 17%, there is something going on. For those of you that have Doge, I was in. I'm out. I've got my profits. For those of you that are in, of course, I'm not telling you what to do, but I would encourage you to take some profits. You can always, if it drops back down, you can always get back in. But listen, profit is never profit until you take it off the table and until you put it in your bank account and until you can use it. Okay? I hope that helps you. I love you guys. This is Mitchell Jones with Live Life Live, and I'll see you in the next one.